We are at the Black Elk Wilderness System, and this is the Lost Cabin Trail. Like it's
going to be a good day.
It's going to be a good day, but it's early. The sun has just come up, and there's no people moving around. So,
all right, see you on the trail.
The adventure continues.
Trail's gone cold, and here comes the rain. Been chewing on willow bark to hold back the pain, putting juice in the wound, letting it drain. Holes in my bark skin, still wet with blood stain. Been pushing too hard and going insane. This is how far we are on the trail. And 66 minutes, so about an hour in. All right, let's keep pushing.
We'll get the shoes dried, and that will give us good footwear for the afternoon hike.
3 miles out,
3 miles back. I think that's a good morning start to the day. We won't be done till it'll be 9:30.
Breakfast.
Yeah, sounds good.
More coffee. Breakfast.
Coffee. So we were doing 20-minute miles yesterday. Or we could do it the hard way.